Assalamu alaikum, my brothers and sisters. Listen what Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is saying to you. الذين يؤمنون بالغيب ويقيمون الصلاة ومما رزقناهم ينفقون. الذين, those people, يؤمنون, who believed in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, بالغيب, without seeing him, without watching him. وَيُقِيمُونَ الصَّلَاةَ, and those people who performs salah. وَمِمَّا رَزَقْنَاهُمْ يُنْفِقُونَ, and those people who spends their money, who spends their rizq that they are given by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. What they are called by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala? They are the muttaqeen. Hudal lil muttaqeen.